Hello, bonjour and bienvenue, welcome to La Vie Franglais. Today I'm going to discuss the plan for the house and how we hope to proceed getting it finished. Phase 1 is possibly the biggest step as it should make the house habitable. Currently, the ground floor looks like this. This is not to scale but hopefully gives an idea of the house. In the first phase, we'll be concentrating on just 3 rooms, the bathroom, kitchen and dining room, whilst also updating the plumbing and electrics for future phases. Work has already started on this phase with the removal of the bathroom wall to make a larger room. The next step is to create a new door into the utility room, replacing the one in the bathroom and giving access to the laundry, the boiler and a future boot room. We will then remove the door joining the kitchen and the dining room to create a sense of flow. We will also be installing new aluminium windows, adding 100mm of insulation to every wall and 200mm to the ceilings. All the plumbing and electrics will be brand new with the exceptions of the cast iron radiators that we are going to recommission. The bathroom will include the usual toilet and sink with the addition of a freestanding roll-top bath and a large open shower. The kitchen has been designed with traditional finishes and includes a large electric hob, 2 ovens, large fridge, all from IKEA. Once phase 1 is complete, the house will have the essentials of heating, water and electricity, allowing us to move in. Once in, work can begin on phase 2.
Subject to planning permission.
Currently, there are 2 bedrooms and a loft in this section of the house. There is a problem, however, with one of the bedrooms. It doesn't have a window of its own. Instead, it shares the light coming through the hall. Also, there is a large, unused space directly behind the 2 bedrooms. The plan is to knock down all the interior walls,
subject to planning permission,
and redesign the floor plan to include this space and create 3 bedrooms and a toilet,
subject to planning permission,
whilst allowing every bedroom to have its own window. As with the first phase, the windows will be replaced with aluminium frames, the walls will be insulated, and the radiators will be refurbished. The final phase for now are the 2 rooms on the first and second floor. The first floor was used as a bedroom previously, but we're going to be turning it into a living room. With a 100-inch screen TV, 5.1 Dolby surround sound, Blu-ray player, consoles, reclining chairs. Or just some nice sofas, conservatively decorated. The second floor is currently another loft. It already has its own window and full set of stairs. The plan is to turn this into the master suite, with ensuite and small closet. Again, everything will be insulated, new electrics, new plumbing, save the radiators. So there we have it, 3 phases that will hopefully complete the living part of the house. We won't be doing all the work by ourselves. Specialists have already been contracted to do the important work and we hope that this can start mid-August. Phase 1 is certainly the most important, allowing us to actually live in the property as well as laying the foundations for other work to start. Phase 2 will expand the living space and make the house more of a family home. And phase 3 finishes off the house, giving us all the space we need. As for a timescale, the most important is phase 1, and we hope to have finished those 3 rooms before Christmas 2021. You can keep up to date with our progress by subscribing, and if you have enjoyed this video, please like and/or leave a comment below. Until next time, au revoir.